Anthropic just launched Claude Cowork, and this is one of those rare releases that actually matters for business owners and employees for that matter, not just developers. Now, if you have been watching Claude code from the sidelines thinking, okay, well, that does look powerful, but I'm not touching a terminal, this is for you. Now, Claude Cowork, this is just essentially Claude code without the technical barrier. So it's the same underlying agent technology, same ability to work across your files and your systems, but it's just wrapped in an interface that practically anybody can use. So there's no command lines, no installation process. You just open up the app, you point it to a folder, and you let it work. Now, the difference between this and regular ChatGPT, it's simply agency. Now, ChatGPT, it can give you answers. Cowork, on the other hand, it'll actually do the work for you. It can read through hundreds of files. It can even organize them, extract any types of insights, build reports, create documents, and it does all of this autonomously while you're doing other work, other things. So you're not just sitting there feeding it prompts back and forth. Now, you give it a task, it makes a plan, it then executes. Now, what makes this interesting from a business perspective is what you can actually be doing with it. So most people, they're going to be using this to organize their downloads folder or maybe clean up their desktop. But if you're running a business, you can use this for actual business intelligence. So customer feedback analysis or sales call transcripts turned into market insights, even expense reports from scattered receipts or competitive research just compiled into actionable reports. These are going to be the tasks that normally take hours of manual work or just requiring you to hire somebody. In Cowork, it can handle all of them in seconds to even minutes. Really quick, before we get into the breakdown and the live demonstration, I just wanted to quickly mention that if you are looking to starting and growing your own AI business in 2026, or if you're just looking to get news and up-to-date sources and how to use AI practically in a business setting, make sure to check out our Inner Circle. Link is down below in the description. But if you're looking to use AI inside of your business and transform your operations in 2026 and increase your bottom line, create leverage in any manner, then make sure to book in a call with our team. You can get a free AI audit. Links down below in the description. And before I give you guys the live demonstration, let me just give you context on what this is actually useful for if you are running a business. Now, in a minute, I'm going to show you something that I did with my own sales data. I basically just took all of my sales call transcripts, so hundreds of conversations with business owners, and I had Cowork just analyze all of them to identify which niches have the biggest pain points, what problems are coming up, and also what solutions are underserved in the market. Then what I had to do is create a strategic report and draft content just based on what it had actually found. Now, this is the kind of complete workflow that would normally take days of manual work, but that's going to be just one example. I mean, you can use this for quite literally anything. You can use this for customer feedback analysis, even taking surveys or handling support tickets or reviews, extracting patterns and priorities, even market research and competitive intelligence if you would like, or operational reporting where you can just pull together scattered expense data, time logs, any project updates into actual reports, even document creation for proposals, SOPs, or onboarding materials based on your existing content, and even financial analysis where you just turn receipts and invoices into organized reports. Now, the key thing about this is that Cowork works with unstructured data. Now, most businesses, they're sitting on valuable information in the form of customer conversations or even internal documentation and operational records. They just simply do not have the bandwidth to turn all of that into actionable insights. And that is what this is actually solving. So let me show you a real example with my sales data. Okay, so inside of Claude Cowork, by the way, you do need to have the max plan, but inside of here, all we're going to do is we are going to say fetch the automation inquiry docx, which we can find in our files, which is downloaded right here. Automation inquiry, which just contains essentially all of our transcripts. So fetch the automation inquiry docx, and with that, create a new folder on my desktop called sales calls and save all the meeting transcripts as combined text files in that folder. Once you have all the transcripts saved locally, analyze them to identify the top 3 niches with the most urgent problems. For each niche, what are the biggest pain points? What solutions are they looking for? What are they looking or willing to pay? And then create a detailed strategic report document with your findings and save it in the sales call folder. Then based on your analysis, identify the single biggest market opportunity and draft a YouTube video outline about that opportunity. Now we're going to switch it from Sonnet 4.5 to Opus 4.5, give it a little bit more power. We're also going to allow it to work in a particular folder. Let's open this up and we're just going to click on allow. And let's see what can happen from here. Okay, so it's going to send off the request. It should start by trying to find that file. Going to read files pretty soon. It should update the progress with the to-do list. Okay, it looks like it found it. Automation inquiry meetings.docx. Let me read it to extract the meeting transcripts. So it now has the content. Now it's going to create the to-do list and proceed with the analysis. So up at the top right, we have the progress updating. So first off, creating the sales call folder and saving the transcripts, then analyzing the transcripts to identify the top niches, identify pain points, any sought after solutions, pricing, and then creating a detailed strategic report document. And there's a few other things like being able to create the marketing piece, drafting the YouTube video outline. So it is taking all of these steps that I'm asking for and just breaking it down systematically. So let's see where it's at currently. It is now writing all the meeting transcripts. So we'll come back once this actually finishes. Generally, if you're using Opus 4.5, it will take a bit longer. Okay, so quick update while everything was generating, it started to create the file. So it has the sales calls inside of the download section. We could have specified that we want it somewhere else, but not a big deal. It's then updating the to-do list a little bit further, running the commands for everything, and it looks like it is now analyzing the data, creating the strategic report based on the analysis of the 99 meetings. So if we go into our folders, we should see somewhere, okay, sales call right there. And then we have all the meeting transcripts inside of here. Okay, so it looks like this just finished up. That took maybe about 4 minutes. Now, in any case, let's just run through this a little bit. So it found the first transcript. It was able to create the sales folder as we had already walked through. Now it then analyzed the data, created the strategic report. So if we actually want to find this, let's see where it was actually created. So generate the strategic report. There's the command. There's a to-do list. Now the next piece, analyzing the data, creating the strategic report based on the analysis of all of the meetings, and then creating the YouTube video outline document. So let's see if we're able to find all this stuff. So it created 3 files in the download. So the sales calls, so the meeting transcripts, the strategic market analysis report, the YouTube video outline as well. So let's go ahead and move over to this. So here's all the meeting transcripts. So I'm not going to run through this. This is very comprehensive, and it also has some PII. So I do not want to spill any of that. Moving on, we have the strategic market analysis report. Let's open this up and let's see what this is about. So it looks pretty professional from first glance, but obviously we'll have to clean things up if we want to actually utilize this for any other professional purposes. But key findings, healthcare AI automation represents the single largest opportunity, comprising about 35% of all inquiries with the highest urgency scores and budget ranges from $10,000 to $50,000 plus per project. So top 3 niches with the most urgent problems. So number 2, we have financial services, lead management. What else do we have? We have service-based businesses, so moving, logistics, professional services. So pretty cool. And let's now move on to the YouTube video outline that it actually created for this. So opening line, I just analyzed 99 sales calls with business owners looking for automation. And yeah, perhaps I will make this into a upcoming video. Typically, I usually just create outlines, have AI help with outlines, and then we'll do the rest myself. But yeah, I think this could be at least a pretty decent video. We'll see in the near future. So to go back to the foundation, why does this matter for you? Well, if you're running a business, you are likely sitting on data that can tell you what's working, what's not, and where to focus next. So consider any customer feedback, sales conversations, support tickets, financial records. Most of the data, it never gets analyzed because you do not have time, and hiring somebody, it is typically pretty expensive. So Cowork, it completely changes the equation where you can take all that unstructured information, turn it into strategic insights, and then immediately act on those insights. So whether that's creating content, building any proposals, or making business decisions. And this isn't just about automating busy work, although it definitely is about that too. It's more so about making better decisions with the information that you already have and then executing on those decisions even faster. Now, again, that is just one small piece of the puzzle. There's a million different ROI generating activities that you can be using with Claude Cowork and of course Claude Code itself. But businesses that are going to win in the next few years, they are the ones that can move faster and make smarter decisions than their competitors. Now that requires actually using data that you are collecting instead of just letting it sit in folders. And this is just one way to do that without hiring a data analysis or having to hire a content team or spending weeks on manual analysis. And if you're someone who's already using AI in your business, maybe you are using ChatGPT for content or just automating some workflows, this is pretty next level. You're moving from AI helps me with all of these tasks to AI's quite literally working autonomously on complete workflows from start to finish. In any case, that's Claude Cowork. It's not perfect, but it's genuinely very useful if you are running a business and sitting on data that you don't have time to analyze in a range of different things as well. So it is just removing the technical barrier to agentic AI, which just means more people actually benefit from this technology instead of just reading about it. So if you guys did find this video useful, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about it, your thoughts. If you're going to be using this for yourself, if you already use something like Claude Code. By the way, make sure to join our inner circle if you want the full playbook on building an AI business in 2026. Links down below in the description. And again, if you're looking to transform your operations, increase your bottom line with AI, make sure to book in a call with our team for a free AI audit. But again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.